The European Court of Justice, located in Luxembourg, has scrapped sanctions against 7 Iranian banks and companies, ruling that the measures were unjustified. The court said there's no evidence that these companies have supported Iran's nuclear energy programme. Therefore, it ruled, the Iranian companies' assets frozen by the EU must be released in 8 weeks' time if an appeal fails. These are the 7 Iranian firms wrongly subjected to sanctions at the hands of the European Council. Western powers have imposed unilateral sanctions on Iranian companies like these over the allegations that they have supported Tehran's nuclear energy programme. The West accuses Iran of seeking nuclear weapons. Iran denies this, saying its nuclear programme is meant for peaceful purposes. In a statement following its ruling, the European Court of Justice said, "The Council of the European Union has not proved the facts of which it accuses these companies, and the Council could not, therefore, properly establish that they had provided support for nuclear proliferation. Consequently, the acts of the Council requiring the funds of those companies to be frozen have been annulled."
It's important to understand that these judgments concern the legal requirements of the designations, not the EU policy when it comes to Iran and the nuclear file, and we are very much aware of the need to study this carefully and determine appropriate response.
The European Court of Justice, however, has upheld sanctions currently being imposed against 2 other Iranian banks, including Bank Melli. But there's no doubt that the court ruling in favour of the 7 Iranian firms is seen as a significant blow to Western efforts to curtail Iran's economy. A source has told me that a working party meeting to discuss the court rulings will take place here at the European Council next Tuesday. The working party is made up of EU law and policy experts. They will make a recommendation to the European Council as to whether the court rulings should be appealed. The Council has 2 months in which to lodge an appeal. Pending a possible appeal, the sanctions against the Iranian firms will remain in place. Jerome Hughes, Press TV, Brussels.